Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene. I made some bracelets earlier, but I didn't record those. However, I made these to take pictures and then put these on a couple of websites, Poshmark being one of them. And I used some of the beads that I got today from Hobby Lobby, which is these beads right here. This color, this one. Let's see what else. These right here. One thing about them, and these right here, you got to be careful how you match them. You know, like the beads that you match them, because they can come out easily looking like kitty bracelets if you don't know how to marry the beads together. So like with this one, you can see I used the Hobby Lobby beads right here, and I think that was it. So when you look at it, this can easily come out looking like a kitty bracelet had I not, kind of added some adult looking things to the bracelet. So that's one thing about the beads. Maybe because they're coated like they're coated. I don't know, but I really like the way these beads came out. The bracelets came out. And then this one, you can see I use some of the today's beads right here on this side. So this turquoise color. And then the rest of them are beads I already had. So I really do. I like them, as long as that's like this one. This one can almost be like a kitty bracelet, because I put the evil eyes, which are plastic, and then I put these vinyl beads, and then you can see it almost can be a kitty bracelet. So if this bracelet was not going to be matched, with some more adult-like bracelets, it could be like a kitty bracelet. And then you got this one here. And then we got this bracelet. So this bracelet, I use majority of those beads. I think all of these are. Yeah, I think all of these are, except these white beads. So you can see. It still came out really nice though. I like the way they came out. And also this one is majority those beads I got today. So they match well, as long as, you're matching them with, what appears to be adult type. This is real boho. Look at that. I am just so in love with these, all the charms and everything. Really, really nice. And this is a 6-piece set. The other one's already made. Those are ones. Those other 2 sets are custom sets. And generally, I don't videotape the customs. Those are for those people. So I did make these here, and I really like the way they look too. Not bad at all for $6.99 beads. Not bad at all. I really like them. But Darlene Knight for J by BBK, and we'll talk.